Algebra 2 is a tough subject. Most high schoolers in Texas will have to face it before the end of their high school careers. It's meant to be an extension of concepts and skills learned in the years just prior. The tools explored in Algebra 1 and the representations revealed in geometry all make an appearance in Algebra 2 as students dive deeper into the relationships and patterns of sets of numbers. That's basically what Algebra 2 is, relationships. Discovering and uncovering unknowns using relationships and patterns. These relationships fall into general categories, and half the battle is won if the students can distinguish between the different areas. The students need to be able to see what's happening between the two sets of numbers in order to produce the patterns they discover. We call the thing that's happening in between the sets of values functions. The problem is that the students have a very tough time contextualizing the functions. Trying to learn math in isolation of other subjects is a tough pill to swallow. Without an anchor, it's extremely easy to confuse the different relationships, and stemming from that, knowing when to use all the different tools and skill sets associated with each of the different kinds of functions. So the solution proposed is to associate the different functions with distinguishable aspects within a role-playing game called guilds. Within each student group or guild, the students take on created characters and roles and explore 7 different realms, one representing each of the ones covered in the course. After covering the specifics of each type of function, the students will have opportunity to write an anthem for that function. The students may choose whether to use a pre-existing track provided by the teacher to write lyrics for, or they may choose to create a track from scratch to perform their lyrics over. The following is an example anthem for the realm of Linnea, representing linear functions. These 7 realms I'll travel the lands to restore the unknown. These 7 realms a lesson so grand in range and domain. The answers I get from what I put in show me the way. Prepare you guilds to be transformed and changed for all of time. Deceptively simple, inanely complex. The answers derived from the input called X. You add and subtract, put things together and then take it back. The change in the rate is constant, increasing or not. It came, then it went to the... These 7 realms I'll travel the lands to restore the unknown. These 7 realms are lessons so grand in range and domain. The answers I get from what I put in show me the way. Prepare you guilds to be transformed and changed for all of time. Description, the factor changes the whole picture. It's not just a straight line or an unchanging fixture. The slope and a point from which to begin. The vertical axis decide where and when, because once you set out there's no turning back. These
7